Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will discuss how to disable the item code list while entering the item code in a purchase order. To begin, let us first observe the default behavior. While entering items, when you input the item code list automatically appears, similar to how it appears when entering the item name. To disable this and allow direct item code scanning, go to the Header Details section and open the configuration window. Under General Options, locate and enable the option labeled Do Not Show Item Code List while entering item code. Once this option is enabled, save the configuration and initiate a new purchase order transaction. Now, when you enter or scan the item code, the system will accept it directly without displaying the item code list.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.